camping?
Yes.
Yes, we are.
Much motion.
That's good. Bye, Carol.
Go swim off that island.
That one? Careful, there are rocks there. On the throat. found this little island. A lot of quartz. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's quartz. Oh, those quartz. Look at it. Need a hand. Operation Rescue Carol. Oh, fuck it's cold. You got it? Oh, okay. It's actually not that bad. I'll help you with the boat. No, right?
A little.
Yeah.
My feet.
Oh.
Getting some veggies for the ground beef to make some tacos.
Gonna have tacos for lunch. Hard and soft. And I know it's not supposed to be working as effectively, but we put one of these on. And so far, you know what? No mosquitoes. Have you got bit, Carol? I mean, recently?
Prior to turning that on, yes.
But how about now?
After, no.
Water, got the beef there. That's our tent. Yeah, so it's a tent that I got from Nature Hike. I bought it from eBay. I think it's called Opalus 4, which means I guess it's for 4 people. It's pretty roomy for 2, but for 3 it would be pretty packed, I'd say. So unless you got really small sleeping pads, I don't think you could fit 4 people in there. So I converted the tent into a winter tent or a hot tent. So you could put your hot stove in it. The chimney's supposed to come out of here. And yeah, I haven't tried it in the winter yet, but I've tried it with my hot stove, which is pretty cool. Kept the tent pretty warm. But yeah, I'm excited to take it winter.